We get asked all the time to do true DIY friendly videos. We're going to leave all the equipment and the turf mats on the trailer so that we can show you guys how to do this armed with nothing but a shovel. We're going to tie 2 downspouts together on the side of this house. Instead of going through all the shrubbery and trees and weaving, we want to run a straight line. We're going to keep the velocity up. We're going to get a really good flow rate. Now we're going to use corrugated pipe for this installation because it comes in 100-foot rolls. We want a solid piece of pipe with no glue joints for roots to get in. We have a sprinkler system and a lot of sprinkler heads, so we're going to use 3-inch pipe. We're going to use our gutter adapter that is a vented Cleanout leaf filter. No tools required, super easy to slip on. We built it with the DIYer in mind. We wanted to keep it user-friendly. Now make sure you get it straight and pack a little dirt around the line right here and right now before you backfill any of the other parts of the system, because that'll restrict you. Get it nice and straight. Now we want to move on to the second downspout. We have a solid piece, no fittings, no glue joints, no places for the roots to get in. You can see how the 3-inch corrugated pipe goes right through all the sprinkler heads and all the sprinkler lines. Really user-friendly. This is very DIY-friendly. We're going to show you how to tie this, and this is a really important tie-in. Francisco did a great job, and he was dropping all kinds of knowledge when I was filming this. He wanted to make sure that you guys knew to tape the main line first before you tie in to the second drop. Really good advice from a veteran. If you tied in that second downspout right now, you couldn't pick the line up and run the plumbing tape around the Y. That makes it watertight, and it also keeps the roots out. So right now we're going to unroll the rest of this 100-foot roll of 3-inch corrugated pipe so that Francisco can go ahead and connect that into the Y on the main line here and finish taping that end of it up. Again, to keep the tree roots out, we have to use a really good plumbing tape. We have a super sticky, super stretchy 200-year tape that we love very much. It's 4 inches wide and it works really well. You can see there's a footer drain tile there. A 4-inch footer drain tile makes it super easy to work around that running a 3-inch corrugated pipe. Now you can see I'm tying in the second drop. Beautiful job here, done by a veteran. Guys, this is textbook. If you get it like this, you did really well. Nice and straight, perfect. Again, a veteran does this week in, week out. You just got to see one of the very best. He's definitely perfected his craft. Now, if you take anything away from this video, it's the point I'm going to make right now, because this is really important and it's super key of building a roof runoff system that'll last forever and doesn't give you problems. Now, we had a 100-foot roll of pipe. No fittings. Look at all those roots. Look at all the tree roots. We went by this 3-foot in diameter trunk, this really, really big tree, and there's roots out into the yard, 55, 60 feet. Look at all those roots. Because it's corrugated pipe on a 100-foot roll, those roots can't get in. It's one piece. That is key. You run PVC with a bunch of glue joints, and that's going to get taken out by roots. Beautiful install. Look at this. Really, really nice. Got one piece to the second drop. Here we are tied in. And then we got one piece from the second downspout all the way out to the pop-up emitter. This, you guys, is textbook. This is how you build an underground roof runoff system to last forever. Now make sure you use a pop-up that you can get your hand down in, because that way you can pull any tree seeds that float all the way to the end of the line. They tend to get stuck right there in that elbow of the pop-up. And of course that pop-up has a turf restrictor plate so the grass can't grow over it. You're always going to be able to daylight your water. Now keep in mind, in order to run a 3-inch pipe, you do need something to filter out the leaves. Big leaves will clog a 3-inch pipe. We built a system with leaf filters that are designed to be clog-free. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up. It supports the channel. And until the next video.